everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's pretty hot here in BC. I hope you're having nice weather wherever you're at. I have a unboxing today. Anybody guess what it may be? They just threw it up on the porch and away they went. Alright, so welcome in. If you're new, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. It's always appreciated, and if you're returning, thanks so much for your support. Alright, Ted says hi. He thanks for all the birthday wishes. He really appreciates that, and he really loves his watch, so.
I love the attention.
He loves a lot of attention. Yeah, so there you go. Alright, so let's go ahead and get to the unboxing here. Got my blade. Alright, we're in. Alright, says Pandora. Alright. Love you, Teddy. Alright, you got me a nice card. Receipt. And this is the 20th anniversary year for Pandora, and they give you these little cards. And on the front it tells you what it is and some information. This is the heart clip, and this one is for September. Alright. Alright, so they gave me 2 pouches with 2 charms inside. And 2 empty boxes. So the last time they gave me 2 pouches that were empty, and they had them in the box. So there you go. Alright, let's take a look and see what the heart clip looks like. Alright, let's go ahead and open them up here. Yeah, they're kind of small, so I'll put pictures below, but this is a pretty nice one. It has a heart. You can really see it. Yeah, it's pretty small. It's hard to hold, too. Looks like that. There's a clip. And then I got a little squirrel. I thought was kind of cute. Alright, that's the little face. Yep. And then it has a little tail at the end, basically. Alright, so that's my unboxing for today. I hope everybody's staying safe. If you have any comments or any requests, please leave them below. And until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great week, guys. Bye now.